Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make Macrame Ganesh. So let's begin. All the measurement detail are given below in the description, so check them. And safety pin and a ring, and then it attached to the sponge or a pillow to secure the ring. Then we take a string and make the loop as you seen in the video. And we do this same pattern with the other string. Then we take two middle cord and make a knot like this. Then we make the same type of loop from the left side. We take another cord and make the same knot as we do. We take another cord and attach it like same. Then we separate two strings from both the sides and make a square knot. With the same method, we again attach a loop to the right and the left side. Then we have to separate six strings from both the sides and make the square knot from the remaining part. Then we separate 3 strings from both the sides and again make the square loop. We make this type of piping with all the strings. Then we take 5 beads, you can choose any color. Then we have to insert this bead into the strings as you shown. After bead inserting, we make the piping from the right side. For making piping from right side, we do the same as you show in the video. Then we do the same thing with all the strings. After completing of our piping, we take left side 4 cord and make a square loop and make the square knot with the remaining. Again we separate 2 cord from both the sides, and totally we separate 4 cord from both the sides, and again we have to make a square loop with the remaining part. Then we again have to separate 2 cord from both the sides, and this time we totally separate 6 cord from both the sides. At this stage you have to insert a bead in it. I am forgotten to insert the bead, so I repeat it. Then we make the piping from both left and right side as we do earlier. Then we again make the same type of piping from right side. Then we again make a piping from both the sides. After completing our piping, we insert 2 beads as eye on both the sides. For this we have to separate 4 cord from the right side, and in middle 2 string we have to insert the bead, and we do the same on the right side. Now we separate 2 string from the middle section and make the piping from both the sides. After completing these piping, we have to make a knot on the back side. We make a loose knot from both the strings, and then we continue our piping from the left side cord. At the middle section we have to insert a green color cord. Then we take another thread and insert it in the same pattern. Then we start to make piping from the rest string. Then we again make the knot on the back side, and as you carry on the piping you have to show that our back side loop will increase and our right side loop will be decreased. After making the knot we have to follow the same procedure. Then in middle section we make the same type of loop from green thread. Then we take our small thread and insert a bead into it. And make the same type of loop with the thread. Then we complete our green knot. As you see, as we increase our piping, the back side space should be decreased. We follow the same. ओके अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा, जब हमें अपनी पूरी एक डिज़ायर्ड लेंथ मिल जाएगी तो हम इसको 2 तरीके से डिक्रीज़ कर सकते हैं। पहला कि जब भी हमारी सून बन जाएगी तो हम उसके हर एक स्टेप पे से एक कोड को कट कर दें, या फिर दूसरा मेरी तरह कि जितने भी हमारी जो नोट ख़त्म हो रही है हम वहाँ पे दूसरी अटैच नहीं करेंगे, हम उनको वहीं पे ही एक कैंडल या फिर एक बर्नर की हेल्प से वहीं पे ही अटैच कर देंगे। और जैसे ही हमारी जो लूप ख़त्म हो रही है हम उसको अंदर की साइड अटैच करेंगे। यू हैव टू सी कि हमारी जो सूंड है वो उसका जो डायमीटर है वो डिक्रीज़ होता जा रहा है। और जो हमारी अंदर की साइड की पाइपिंग है, जैसे आप देख रहे हो मैंने अभी येलो कलर की पाइपिंग लगाई है, आप इसके अंदर कोई और भी कलर लगा सकते हो। मेरे पास ऑरेंज कलर की पाइपिंग ख़त्म हो चुकी थी और क्योंकि अंदर की साइड है ये दिखाई नहीं देगी तो आप इसमें कोई और भी कलर की पाइपिंग या कोई और कलर का थ्रेड यूज़ कर सकते हो। अब हमारा लास्ट में जितनी भी कोड बची हैं हम उनको क्या करेंगे, कट करेंगे और अंदर की साइड स्टिक कर देंगे। यहाँ पे मैं एक कोड के अंदर स्टिक करने से पहले एक बीड को इंसर्ट करूँगी और फिर इसको स्टिक कर दूँगी। तो आवर हेड पोर्शन इज़ कंप्लीट। देन वी हैव टू स्टार्ट इट द ईयर्स। फॉर ईयर्स वी हैव टू इंसर्ट 8 strings as is shown. We again attach a string to the middle section. Then we attach other 2 strings to the eye part. And we attach a cord to the back side. Totally we attach 8 cords. Then we make a square loop with for 4 strings. After completing this, we separate 2 strings from both the sides and make a square loop with the remaining part. Then we again separate 2 cords from both the sides, and totally we have to separate 6 cords from both the sides. This time we make a single node. Then we take a cord from lower section and make the piping. We do the same with rest string. Then we again take a green cord and make a loop to the lower section. One string of green cord we have to attach it on the back side. You can use either lighter or candle to stick it. Then we have to make piping of green with all the orange strings. After finishing, we cut the string and attach it to the back side. And then we take the cord from the upper section and make the piping from orange. When we have to complete the piping, we just cut all the threads, and in lower 2 threads we cut this longer because we have to attach the bells on it. After cutting off remaining cord, we have to attach it on the back side. We attach bells on the lower 2 strings and follow the same on other side of ear. And this is the final look of a macrame Ganesh. I hope you like it, and if you have any query related to this pattern, then comment below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.